Hey, hi everyone. My name is Rajendra Raul and I welcome you all to my channel End of Ignorance. Friends, today we are going to be discussing the myth that mass and weight are the same thing. Do you want to learn the truth? Let's get started on dispelling this misunderstanding. Friends, you must have asked someone this question sometime or the other that what is your weight? And you would have got the answer like my weight is 65 kg or 80 kg. But friends, do you think that answer is correct? No, that answer is wrong. Because we asked them about their weight, but whatever they are giving, that is the answer of mass. Now the question come to my mind that why they give answer like that. Maybe they think that mass and weight are the same. Let's break this misconception. Let's look at the left side video and imagine that this is Earth and a man is standing on top of it. Now if he throws something, it will automatically come downward. And this thing everyone knows. Yes or no? Exactly, everyone knows. Now let's see the second video. Suppose this man shift his position from top of the surface of earth to this position. And now if you will throw something, whether it will come downward or not. Now here the confusion arises. Because in the earlier case, whenever he is throwing something like this, it is coming downward. But now he is in a horizontal position. Now how something will come downward? Confused or not? Well friends, don't get confused. We live by sticking on earth like this. In the left side video, the person is standing at the North Pole and it is difficult to live there.
Hey. We don't want to die. We don't want to die.
Because there is no permanent settlement at the North Pole. The area is completely covered with ice and temperature goes below minus 40 degrees Celsius. So it is impossible to survive there. So in general, we live like this, whatever it's showing in the second video. And now don't get confused how we are uh, standing horizontally. It is happening because of the gravity. Gravitational force between the earth and our body is what keeps us stuck to the surface of this planet. Without this force, we will float off into the space. Gravitational force is what gives weight to the physical body and allow us to feel the sensation of being heavy. By being heavy, I mean to say that force of gravity is acting on our body. When we are standing on the surface of the earth, force of gravity is pulling us downward towards the center of the earth. And this force is what gives us our weight. So friends, I think you got the answer. Weight completely depends on mass and acceleration due to gravity. And acceleration due to gravity is different in different planet. In our earth we have 9.8 meter per second square. Suppose a person having mass of 100 kg. Yes, I am saying a mass of 100 kg, and we require to find out what is his weight. So weight can be calculated as W equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. Let's look at the video on the left. When he jumps on earth, he doesn't jump very high, but when he jumps on moon, he jumps very high. This is happening because moon's acceleration due to gravity is 1/6 that of earth. One thing to keep in mind that mass will remain constant regardless of where he is. Okay friend, let me demonstrate you an example which will make you understand in a more better way. Suppose I have a ice cube. Look, I have a ice cube, right? And we all know that this ice cube have water molecules. That is two hydrogen and one oxygen, right? That is H2O. Now suppose we have 50 molecules, 50 water molecules, right? So look, I am displacing here, again I am displacing here, or I am dropping this, right? So do you think after applying one external force like this and one force due to gravity, do you think the mass of this cube has been changed? No, the molecules will remain constant. So because of this reason, I am saying that mass will remain constant wherever you take whatever, only the force will change. Hi friends, if you